Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple profile pictures on Instagram. All right. I would like for you to know that you can only add a maximum of 2 profile pictures on Instagram by using the feature called Dynamic Profile Picture, which links a standard photo with an animated meta avatar. So visitors can go to your profile and just swipe or flick your profile icon like a coin to flip between the photo and your avatar. So go ahead and go to your profile right here at the bottom right, and then just tap on Edit Profile, and then go ahead and tap on Edit Picture or Avatar. As you can see here, I have a profile picture and I do have an avatar as well. So if you don't have one, just tap on Avatar and click on Add or Create Avatar. Or you can go ahead and edit the existing avatar if you want to as well. So from here, your original profile picture, choose from your library or take a photo. Once that's done, both of these will be available. And after that, you are actually good to go. Once saved, your profile's image will seamlessly flip between both visuals when saved. All right. So that is how you add multiple profile pictures on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.